What's going on YouTube? This is Petrol Juice here, back again with another video. And this is a very simple one that Mr. Josh PT has been looking to do for a little while, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do it. This is the way to remove the sound of the artificial engine sound from the speaker under the engine bay. It's very simple to do. All you're gonna need, I'm using a plastic pry tool, flathead screwdriver, and right now I have a 9/16 socket on my wrench here. And it's very simple. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. We're going to go through the whole thing. You should be done in 5 minutes or less. Let's get to it. First thing you're going to do, obviously, pop up your hood. Next thing you're going to do is pop these little rivets off. The way you do that is you stick the flathead right underneath or your plastic pry tool. I sort of just bring it up a little bit. Stick this up a little bit more, and before you know it, boom, it's taken out. Now that we've taken these out, I believe that's the hardest part. Next thing you're gonna do is just pop out these plastic rivets on this plastic trim. So there's one here, one here, one here, and one here. Let's do that right now. Use your plastic pry tool to get underneath and just pop it out. We're gonna keep these, let's see, up here for now, then I'm gonna move them. Next thing you want to do is take this little hose, pull this out. Ask me what it is, I have no idea. There we go, just pull that right out. Keep that to the side. Now that everything is loose and taken off, next step we're going to do is lift up this little plastic trim from this plastic piece. And same thing on the other side. Just like taking apart Legos. It's fantastic. And all we're gonna do, oh, we forgot the most important part, taking off the wipers. Once you take that off, you should just be able to pull up. This is stuck. Whew, there we go. Let's wiggle it around a little bit and you're good to go. Boom. Nice and easy. Now that those two pieces are taken off, we took off the plastic pieces. We also took off the rivets. Put that back. You should just be able to pull up.
Yeah, so as you see me struggle for like the next few minutes in this little clip, turns out you actually need to pull it towards you, not up. So as long as you pull it towards the front of the car, you should be able to pull this full piece off and you're good to go.
There we go. Whew. Cut my finger, ladies and gentlemen. See what I do for Petrol Juice? I just love you guys so much. And Josh, you too. Sounds scary, but once you do, boom! Access to the little speaker. Now the idea is, let's see, is it a pull-up? It is a pull-up. Unplug it, and you're good to go. Ideally, you want to put some electrical tape at the very end. We're going to see if we have some. Best thing to do is just wrap it around so no water gets in the electrical component. Once you do, keep it to the side, zip tie it, make sure it's nice and secure, and do the whole thing in reverse. Let's do that now. All right, so we went ahead and put some electrical tape and wrapped it around the best that we could. It's going to be under here anyway. We have a little zip tie. We're just going to wrap this around here the best that we can. Around the little hole. And just keep it nice and secure so it doesn't, you know, rattle like crazy or anything. All right, that is not going to rattle or do anything, so that is perfect. Now we're going to go ahead. I mean, we could cut it off or you could keep it on, all up to you. Well, we like to be clean. So we're going to go ahead, cut that off. And now we just do the whole thing in reverse. The sound is not going to be played off the speaker. You're good to go. It's reversible. One thing I did want to mention when we took this off, there are clips underneath this plastic trim. It seems like we broke a few, but it still should hold together. So just watch out for that and be careful taking it off. We're just going to go ahead and reposition everything like we did before. That way I see how the clips go in. You want to make sure this trim is flush. If you look at the left side compared to the right side, the left side is flush, the right side is not flush. Right here. So just pull this down and then line it underneath the windshield and you are good to go. We just do the whole process in reverse. Right, and if you watched all my videos, you know not to put everything super tight right away. You just put it enough for it to hold. Then once we have everything together, that's when we make sure we tighten everything the best that we can. So I'm just making sure it's secure first. There we go. Just adjust it the best you can. Make sure it's nice and flush with the windshield. All right, now we're gonna move on to the rivets. So we're gonna reset the rivets. Just push these up, just like so, and push them right in. Once you have it in, click it down. Looks like everything's almost put back. Just double check all your work. Was this in all the way? This is for. What do you think?
Shove it in.
I want to shove it in?
No, actually, I think, yeah.
Oh. Well. All right, so just make sure to watch your work. We just, well, I just, not we, me.
What do you mean watch your work? You busted that.
I did bust that. But I don't know what that's for, but it's in there. So it turns out this is the reservoir for the washer fluid. The way it's connected is this is plugged in to this here, and that connects to the washer fluid. We found that out the hard way. So before you close everything up, just make sure to put this back in and your washer fluid will continue to work again. There we go. Now we broke this piece, but now that this is plugged in, just tuck it in. Now we're gonna turn on the car and make sure it works.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. Nope. Turns out that piece that you broke was still important.
What piece? Oh, it's squirting out the side, right? I forgot. It works! It works! All right, guys, so make sure not to break this. We just plugged it back together and used some electrical tape. So hopefully this will never, ever break again. We are good. No leaking. Used a lot of electrical tape, but it is nice and tight. We're good to go. We're good. It's good to go. All the pieces are back. We're gonna go ahead and tighten our work up here. All right, so once we tightened everything back up, everything looks like it's good to go. Let's put these back on. Just like that, the fake sound or artificial sound is deleted. Let's go ahead and take a listen. All right, we're turning on the car, making sure the wipers work. And they are working and they're in perfect position. Awesome, we know we did it right. So now we're gonna go and check out the sound. You shouldn't hear anything, I mean. Sounds nice. All right, guys, as you can hear, we are in sport mode and zero artificial sound. That is straight up coming from the beautiful, beautiful exhaust. Oh my God. Well guys, thank you for watching. This is Josh GT's car. I'm surprised your transmission hasn't gone yet. Well, thank you for watching. That is the way to get your artificial sound out of your car. Oh yeah, sounds great. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you'd like to see down in the comment section below. Anyways, guys, see you in the next video. Peace!